Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove someone as admin on your Bigo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Now the first step today guys is to open your Bigo Live application and then log into your account. After that, you have to go live on Bigo. So once you're live, first we have to set a user to be our admin. So I'll tap on my users at the top of my screen, and then I will choose this first person at the top. I'll click on manage at the top left corner of this window and set this person to be my admin. After that, if I want to remove this person as my admin, I just have to swipe down just like this and I'll see my admins. So I can click on the minus sign next to any of this user to remove. So guys, that is how you can do it. That's how you can remove someone as your admin. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.